Hi, my name's Amelie, and today I'm going to be giving you just some quick tips and tricks on how I achieved and maintained these curls. First of all, I want to say that if you do not have a L.O.C.S cream, I'm gonna need you to make yourself a L.O.C.S cream. This is very, very important in locking in moisture and making sure your curls stay this way all day. So for my L.O.C.S cream, the products that I use are Carol's Daughter's conditioner. It's a black vanilla conditioner. Just 2 squirts of that. Fill it up halfway with water. I usually use an Aquafina just because I don't like there's chemicals in running water that you don't want to just spray lightly into your hair, because that could actually damage your hair more than make it any better. So I fill it up halfway with the water, then I shake it, work this product into this bottle with the water, and then that's basically like a leave-in conditioner. Then I'm gonna go in and fill up the bottle, maybe like this much, with olive oil. So olive oil is actually very important for sealing in moisture. So just these 3 things together, right after you wash your hair, you're gonna wanna go through and comb it, and then you're gonna spray this into your hair. Spray it into your hair and just let it do what it does. If you have curls, if you're naturally curly, then it will end up looking like this. It's nice and moisturized. As you can see, you can work your fingers through it even, but you don't want to do that because, you know, if you have curls, you want them to stay beautiful. So that is rule number 1 with maintaining these curls. You want to make sure you lock in that moisture. Very, very important, very important. So if you have any questions for me, please leave them down in the comment section. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'll see you guys later.